I got a special treat for you today. 15 easy remote jobs you can do at night. These are not your typical 9-to-5 gigs, and I bet most of them you've never heard of. So if you appreciate the hard work I put into finding these great opportunities, then please give that like button a gentle tap, and let's dive in. Job number 1, movie recap script writer. Kicking off our list at the number 1 is a movie recap script writer. Ever wonder how those movie summaries that save you time and intrigue your curiosity are made? Well, meet the script writer. You can land a gig writing movie recaps for YouTube channels and get paid $35 to $65 an hour. I rate this 8 out of 10 for opportunity. Job number 2, helpline coordinator. Next up is a helpline coordinator. You'd be interviewing through calls when someone is in a tough spot, especially during the nighttime. It's a crucial role, and some companies may pay around $24 per hour. I'd give this an 8 out of 10 for opportunity, considering the importance of the job. Job number 3, tutors. Now let's talk about tutors, but not just any tutor. How about becoming a private poetry tutor? You can make good money teaching people to appreciate and understand poetry. Platforms like LessonPal offers tutors $39,000 to $62,000 a year. I'd rate this a solid 9 out of 10 opportunity. Job number 4, remote front desk associate. Ever thought about working at a front desk while staying remote? It's possible. Forwarding calls and handling queries can earn you $34,000 to $49,000 a year. It's not a long-time career, but a good stepping stone for remote jobs. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Job number 5, customer service advisor. Unleashing the unsung hero, card customer service advisor. They handle credit card queries, providing solutions and ensuring a smooth customer experience. You can earn $51,000 to $82,000 a year. I'd rate this one at 8.5 out of 10 for the combo of finance and service skills. Job number 6, SEO associate. Now let's talk about SEO associates. Ever wondered how those top ranking websites do it? SEO is a secret sauce, and associates make $45,000 to $74,000 a year. Digital marketing is booming, and I'd give this a whopping 9.5 out of 10 for opportunity. Job number 7, customer care specialist. Shout out to the customer care specialist. Resolving issues and ensuring a positive customer experience can earn you $37,000 to $53,000 a year. It's not the flashiest job, but it's an easy entry into remote work. I'd give it a 7.5 out of 10. Job number 8, Tier 1 tech support. Tech enthusiasts, listen up. Tier 1 tech support is your gateway to remote work. Resolving basic technical issues can earn you $42,000 to $72,000 a year. I'd rate this a solid 9 out of 10. Don't forget to comment below about the job that you like, or suggest one that you would like me to cover in the future. Job number 9, intake specialist. Moving on to intake specialist, the first point of contact for customer. You'd make around $41,000 to $57,000 a year, a relatively easy entry, especially for nighttime roles. I'd give this a 7.5 out of 10. Job number 10, appointment setter. Ready to dip your toe into sales? Appointment setters play a vital role and can earn between $45,000 to $77,000 a year. I'd rate this a 9.5 out of 10 for the opportunities it opens up. Job number 11, social media community manager. Social media enthusiast, this one is for you. The social media community manager. Representing a brand can earn you $54,000 to $85,000 a year. It's a fantastic entry-level remote job, and I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Job number 12, legal assistant. If you're into law, consider becoming a legal assistant. Pour budding legal professionals can earn you $43,000 to $63,000 a year. It's a bit tougher to get into, so I'd rate it a 7 out of 10. Job number 13, remote hotel reservationist. Dreaming of travel? How about being a remote hotel reservationist? Booking accommodation can earn you $35,000 to $53,000 a year. It's a decent opportunity, and I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Job number 14, telephone interviewer. Let's dive into data collection. Telephone interviewers conduct surveys and interviews, earning $33,000 to $47,000 a year. It's not the highest paying, but it's easy to land. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Job number 15, donor coordinator. Last but not least, the donor coordinator. Coordinating organ and tissue donation can earn you $43,000 to $62,000 a year. A bit harder to get into, so I'd rate it a 7.5 out of 10. And there you have it, 15 easy remote jobs you can do at night. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, your dream job might be just a click away. Until next time, happy job hunting.